This is the Enviro Safe Shift Agent. It is designed to help the manufacturing shift supervisor to detect the environmental risk early during the high workload overlapping the operations and maintenance delays. So it evaluates the key signals like emission, deviation, workload, and handoff status, and it also recommends the action before the condition lead to the incident. So let us test the agent. First, I am checking the pre-shift risk for the shift A under the high load overlap, emission deviation and delay maintenance. So the agent flags this as a red risk due to the multiple combined factors including the high workload, overlap, emission deviation, delayed maintenance, cumulative risk, and incomplete handoff. So it also recommends the pausing operations and escalating along with the applying additional controls and inspection before proceeding. Now I am evaluating a mid-shift situation where the emission deviation has increased and maintenance delay has extended. So the agent again identifies the red risk and breaks down the each contributing factors such as high workload overlap, rising emission, extended delay, and incomplete handoff. So it recommends the pausing operation and taking the corrective actions like inspection, then maintenance completion, and proper handoff. So the agent explains that the high workload and overlap already increase the baseline risk. So, with the emission rising and the maintenance delay extending along with an incomplete handoff, these combined conditions match the red risk pattern. So, the stopping prevents further escalation. So, this will demonstrate how the supervisors can intervene early during the pre-shift and the mid-shift conditions, ensuring the environmental risks are managed proactively and incidents are prevented.